It's Jamie here. I wanted to come over here and show you guys something. Now, bear with me on some sound stuff. I'm outside today. I'm working from Starbucks, and there might be some sirens and stuff. I'm kind of close to the hospital. But I wanted to walk through some things today with building a lead magnet, and I want to show you one of the processes I go through when I build a lead magnet for pretty much any kind of business, whether it's my own or a client's business. Um, Something really, really cool. So, if you don't have ClickFunnels, there'll be a link down below. You can click that, start your 14-day free trial, get started with ClickFunnels. It's easy. Boom, done. And then if you are with ClickFunnels, this is our dashboard that you see every day when you log in, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to start building out a new funnel, okay? And I'm going to do it. I'm just going to here click new funnel. And now I'm going to build this out for us. And I'm just going to use a squeeze page. No, as a matter of fact, I'll go through the classic builder and show you how to do it from there because they have a lot more templates in the classic funnel builder than in the cookbook. So with our lead magnet, we're going to focus on collecting emails, okay? Now, that's really useful if you want to start building an email list. I think Russell says that for every email collected, it's about worth $1. So that adds up over time. You definitely want to be collecting emails no matter what kind of business you're running. If you're running an agency, planning to run an agency, no matter what you're doing, you want to collect emails. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to choose to collect some emails. We'll call it uh, lead test one. We'll build the funnel. Okay. Now we're just going to go through and click a template. We're not going to really focus on anything that's too specific at this point. You can go through here and pick out which ones fit your situation the best. Um, I want to click one with some text. Uh, let's see. There's so many beautiful, beautiful lead magnet pages through here. Uh, there's so many. Let's click. Let's click this one. So it's creating it for us now. What we're gonna do? I want to run through this and show you guys a few things first. Now, when you build a lead magnet, uh, you want something to seem very attractive to the audience you're targeting. So you got to focus on the headline. You got to focus on the lead magnet generator, what it looks like, how it appears, and who it's talking to. Okay. Okay. How I made an amazing 12,788 in 2 weeks. You got the book called Dominate by James Hom. Okay. This is our funnel. Our lead magnet is right here. So what I do, I jump over, I go to Canva, canva.com. Canva is going to become a huge resource for you if you want. And I'm already logged into Canva, as you can see here, but uh, we're going to pick a different book. Let's say the lead magnet is an ebook. Okay. I actually did this yesterday for somebody. Um, so Canva is going to populate all of these different book covers templates. Okay. And let's say that we're building a funnel for a real estate business, and we're going to create something like something really valuable for the real estate agents market. So let's just say we're going to create a neighborhood guide for real estate agents to attract clients that are moving to their area. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll over here through these books, these book covers. Um, let's see here. Uh, they have so many. Bear with me while I find one that looks kind of real estate related. Um, okay, see how it says free? That means it's free. You don't have to pay anything to Canva. Everything you make with this template, you're going to be able to own. Okay, so we'll change it to Upper East. Let's say the person's moving to New York. I'm not saying that looks like the Upper East Side. I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes. Uh, we'll change this bottom text. This is literally what I do for lead magnets. Your new neighborhood guide. 2020 quarter one, Q1. Oops. All right. It says 0202, but you get the idea here. Okay, so now this looks like a magazine of some sort, doesn't it? So I'll download it. I'll change it to a PNG high quality image. Download. Now the next thing you have to do is you're going to have to find a mock generator, a mock-up image generator. Uh, ClickFunnels doesn't offer that right now, so you got to find a third-party one. So I'm going to go to a website and pull up a mock generator for us. All right, I found us a good mock-up, I think, for this particular lead generator, lead magnet. So I'm using smartmockups.com. Okay, a lot of the stuff is premium. You got to pay a little fee, but this particular image, there's no fee we have to pay. So I'm going to hit upload. I'm going to go through and pick out that neighborhood guide we just made on Canva real quickly. It's going to load and let us edit it. And let's generate it and see what it looks like here. Okay, cool. So boom, now you have something that looks like a guide or a book of some sort that targets a very, very specific audience, right? So we're going to download this. We'll do it medium quality. There's no reason for the demonstration to show you guys super high quality. Done and done. Okay, we'll go back to our funnel. We'll go to our image here. We'll edit. Change out the image. Upload it. This stuff is super easy, you guys. And it's super effective. We'll go to our smart mockup. I hope you guys can hear me okay. All right. We're going to click add image. And boom, it's right there. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Looks legit. So this is where you really get into the specifics of funnel hacking, is when you start getting into the text and the headlines, what your offer is, what you're saying to people, how you're saying it to them, and where you're guiding them through the funnel. Every point of the funnel has a purpose. If you feel like it's random, then keep studying, because no matter what point you're at in the funnel, you should be in control of the customer. Okay, your text and everything should keep you in control of where the customer's going. That way, they're always moving forward or through your funnel. Okay, so we'll just make this say free neighborhood guide, right? All right, and so the intention here behind the headline is you want to think of, what does the viewer want the most from you or from your client? What is the biggest pain that that person has that you're solving? What is your solution solving for this client, right? So if I were you, I would write down a list for every single product you have, or every single service you're selling, or every single client you have for their products and services, and write down what pain points they have. Write down exactly how you're going to solve what they need. So, for instance, let's say someone moving to the Upper East Side is looking for, they want to make more money, they want to feel safe, and they want a better community, right? Those are their pain points. Safe, appear to make more money or make more money, and a better community. So, how can we give that to them with this neighborhood guide? We could say, well, we could say, let me turn off the, trying to turn off my caps lock on my Chromebook. Get sorry. Okay, so the caps lock is always on. My caps lock on my keyboard isn't on. So what that tells me is that somewhere in the settings of the text, we got to go back and change the formatting of the text. So see right here, text transform, how it says uppercase. We're going to go back to normal. See, now I can change the text. So we'll make it say, get to know the best neighborhood in New York City. Okay, because they have a couple bases they got to cover, and we don't want the headline to be too long to hit all those bases. You could get more specific with this. You could go after one or two of those pain points, uh, but for the sake of the demonstration, I'm just going to make it a little bit more vague. But I still think this headline's okay. So you can change all of this if you want, or you can get rid of it. So it's just that. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. I just want it simple. Oops. Where's my Canva? That was weird. And then this also right here, SEO alt text. Always make sure all your images have the right alt text. So you could put Upper East Side neighborhood guide. Because when someone goes into Google, they do an image search and they type in Upper East Side neighborhood guide, your image should pop up somewhere within that search parameter, and someone it'll create a backlink and it'll get you people over to you. So we preview it. Oh, I didn't save it. My bad. All right. Now you have your new lead magnet. Pretty easy stuff, but it looks good and it's effective. Okay. So if you have questions right now about this lead magnet process and the strategy right here, drop it in the comments below. I'll reply to everybody that I can as quick as I can. Okay. And we'll see you on the other side.